We have something exciting to show you guys. I mean, first I've got to show you the reptiles around me. This is Nick, nearly headless Nick, with his little sideways tongue flick. He's doing very well. I just wanted to show him to you quick. And displaying the silver play button is our rather grumpy at the moment Cuban Falls chameleon. What's up with you? Did you just wake up on the road? Calm down. So she's not happy to be here. But the thing we're here to show you is actually not any of these, but rather the gold play button. Okay, you are grumpy. Let's move you back. So this is just going to be like a quicker video, but we wanted you to be a part of this moment with us while we unbox the gold play button. First off, look how much bigger it is. I was not expecting that. That's insane. You ready, Ed?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do this. Oh, man, this is a moment that we will remember forever. Here we go, guys. From YouTube. Oh, it's covered in foam. I guess that makes sense. Okay, here we go, round two. Oh my gosh. This is a huge play button. Man, there's a letter in here too. What's this for? Oh, it's just packed by Rick. Okay.
Thanks, Rick.
Thanks, Rick. It says we can't wait to see you reach the next milestone, 10 million subscribers. Oh, that's really cool that they sent even a letter with this. Ah! I can't believe it! It's beautiful! Wow! I really like the color. That's really pretty. No typos or anything? No? Looks good. Looks good! I don't know where we're gonna hang this. I mean, I don't think this is... I mean, where this goes, I don't think it's a big enough area to put this there, but... I don't know where we're gonna put it, but we will find a place. Okay, I think we're gonna put it above the silver one. Here we go. Oh, you missed it. It's so beautiful.
So shiny.
Seriously, guys, from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for making this a reality. I never would have thought that the small channel that we started years ago, just for people who go to our programs that wanted to learn more, just for them to go to and answer some questions for them, blossomed into something bigger than I ever would have thought. And that is all thanks to you viewers, you subscribers, you Patreon backers, just everyone. So seriously, guys, thank you so much.